Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and we have a question with us. It says evaluate log x to the base of 2 plus log 2 to the base of x is equals to 2. In our case here, we must note something, that these bases are different. We can't start solving when here it is 2 and the base here is x. We must make sure that the bases are the same. We use a law of logarithm that can make sure that now this one drops here and this one goes here. We say if log b to the base of a, if you want to bring b here and take a here, is the same as taking 1 over log. Now you can bring b here and then a goes there. So that law is the one that we're going to apply here. In our case, we'll say it is 1 over log. This now you can bring x down here and take 2 up there. You'll have x 2 plus log 2 to the base of x is equals to 2. We have made the bases to be the same. Here we now have x and here we now have x. Then we can say let log 2 to the base of x be equals to y. We are going to substitute where there is log 2 to the base of x, we substitute with y in our equation. We will have 1 over y plus y is equals to 2. To make it linear, we multiply everything by y. We will have y multiplied by 1 over y, we'll get it is 1 because y cancels y. Then y times y, it will be plus y squared is equals to 2 times y gives you 2y. That is a quadratic equation that we can rearrange it. So this one can be written as y squared minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. Then we look for two numbers that when you multiply them, we get 1 and we add them, we get negative 2. That means we'll have product is 1. We take the coefficient of y squared, which is 1, we multiply by this one here, it's 1. Then sum is the coefficient of y, which is negative 2. Look for two numbers that when you multiply them, you get positive 1, and if you add them, you get negative 2. We're going to get it is negative 1 and negative 1. We're going to replace these two with this value here. Just put here y and y. Then you're going to have y squared minus y. Negative 1y is the same as negative y. Then negative y plus 1 is equals to 0. Then group this one into 2 and factorize. Check what is common between y squared and negative y. It's y. Factor it outside. You will have y minus 1 inside. Then check what is common between negative y and positive 1. It is negative 1. Factor it outside. You're going to remain inside y minus 1 is equals to 0. Then put these two in one bracket. You have y minus 1 and y minus 1. So this one is a perfect square because it has a repeated factors, meaning y minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, our value of y will be equals to 1 if you take negative 1 the other side. We were not told to find the value of y. We were told to find the value of x. That's what you are looking for. We come back here where we said let log 2 to the base of x be equals to y. We now have the value of y. We're going to say log 2 to the base of x is equals to 1. So to get the value of x, we convert this one from log notation to index notation. This is the base and this is the power. You're going to have x raised to 1 is equals to 2. So x raised to 1 is equals to 2. The answer means x is 2. And that is how we solve that question.